subscribe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Thursday, December 28th. And in today's video, I have one play for you and one to put on stock. But before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow rose 0.30%, settled at 7,656 yesterday, the Dow. The Nasdaq, they closed up 0.16% to settle at 15,099. Apple rose a measly 0.05% to settle at $193. Apple. The big winner yesterday was ROI. ROI spiked a whopping, an epic, and eye-popping 205% to settle at 43 cents. The volume yesterday was 141 million shares exchanged hands, compare and contrast to their average volume of 1 million. The company came out with a new AI platform and also partnership news, and on that, the stock skyrocketed. Please put a stock today on CING, CING. Shout out to Sir Sly. The stock closed up 101% yesterday, $391. In the after hours, the stock skyrocketed to over 400% move in the AH, CING. Watch this one today. The whole market will be watching this one, CING. No official news out. Cautious going forward. Dave's play today is a SP play, in and out, grab and go one, and the move do not overstay. You're welcome. SNES. SNES is up 79% at $1.55 at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far in the pre-markets, $1.70. This one retracts below 117. This might be a no-go today. There's no news out. This one is in the chemical space and their headquarters out of Arizona. Let's get the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of a measly 648K. They have to get this one up to 5 million in market cap to meet the threshold of the Nasdaq. They have a very low float of just 300K. 0.21% of the float are held by insiders. 4% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 5% of the float. SNES. They have 1.2 million in revenues. Revenue per share, 5.86. Quarterly revenue growth is up 44% year over year. I'll say that again. Quarterly revenue growth is up 44% year over year. SNES. They have a gross profit of 464K. They have a total cash of 2.15 million and a total debt of a low 279K. Current ratio is sitting healthy at 3.21, way above par. SNES. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose, and whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself. Trade well. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is just 1 penny. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Got a lot of money invested in a Dave play. Every day, you want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Foot 4 gas rich.
Yeah, this is Danny B, the Jingle King. I have a little argument for going. have a little argument for who know. But you know, I find myself with the money. And instead of squander it and go on with foolishness and go along with. You want your money, Arch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Please, me I tell you now. Go on, go make the money now, please. Yeah, man. Wanna do it fast and quick here? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Fast, don't stop. Every day, you want the money go? Check Dave's play. Invest. Interest. Bless.
Mara heading to $100. Share.
ARA. They are currently at $2. They closed up 14% on Friday. They wear a market cap of 52 million. Their quarterly revenue growth year over year, this was the thing that impressed me the most. Quarterly revenue growth year over year was up 157%. I will repeat. MARA, their quarterly revenue growth is up 157% year over year. This is a company that is growing. That's all I have for you. The markets ended mixed yesterday for another time. I think 3 days in a row. The market ended mixed. The Dow Jones ended flat yesterday, down 0.15% at 30,155. Hanging on strong to that 30K, the Dow. The Nasdaq Composite, however, they closed up 0.5% at 12,658. Okay. Put on your stock list today, Mara, MARA. I alerted this one at $2 at about 3 months ago or so. Go back to my old video, check out the numbers. The stock has spikeability. It spiked from $2 to $18 or so in about a span of about a week. This one could run for days. It's been running, I think today is the third day it's been running. MARA. Put that one on your stock list. Watch for a pullback. That might be your opportunity to pounce. Next on my stock list, NXTD. I alerted this one at 35 cents. Go back to my old video a few weeks ago, NXTD, okay? It's sitting at, it's over 108. 108 key number. If it stays above 108, this is a positive sign. It wants to go to 2. NXTD. Pay attention to these two. Dave's play today is OCG. OCG is up 100% at about 1260 right about now. The high of the day in the after hours was $20. This one is a new IPO. They IPO'd December the 15th. And there's not much numbers on this one. They're based out of China. This is a medium-term hold. They're based out of China. They have some decent numbers. However, Chinese companies are riddled with fraud. You might want to stay alert on this one and be cautious. But we're just here for the money. This one is running like a bat out of hell. Okay? Let me kick the tires. A little bit about the company. They trade art. They trade art and craft via e-commerce. Go ahead and read up on their profile. Their 52-week low, which is, they just started trading 2 days ago. 527. 527 is their low, and according to Yahoo, it's $8 for the high. But I saw it spiked as high as $20 in the after hours yesterday. Pay attention to this one. This one has spikeability. Let me go into the numbers. Their profit margin is up 40%. Let me say that again. Their profit margin is a positive 40%. Okay, their operating margin is a positive 36%. These are rare numbers for a penny stock. I consider penny stocks below $10. Okay. ROA, return on asset, is up 14%. Their ROA is up 14%. Their return on equity, their ROE, is a positive 27%. These are rare, okay? And also, please take these numbers with a grain of salt. This is a Chinese company. I can't stress this enough. You saw what happened to Love King, among others. Be careful. They have a revenue of 8 million. Gross profit, 12 million. Total cash, 11 million. Total debt, I don't see any information regarding their debt. Their current ratio is 11.07.